Lucidchart, online diagram software and visual solution. It is your solution for visual communication and cross-platform collaboration. Create professional flowcharts, process maps, UML models, org charts, and ER diagrams using templates or import feature. First, you have to log in using any of the three that you can see below. If you choose Gmail, you need to wait for a few minutes to receive the email. After you receive the email, you can now have an account. This is the home page of the LUCID application. In the News section, you will be given options, Lucidchart Document and LUCID Spark Board. Let's start with Lucidchart Document. Once you open the Lucidchart document, this should be your screen. On the right side, there are a few tips or tutorial ready for you. First tip, finding which shape you want. On the left side, you can see different shapes. There are also sticky notes or normal shapes. Second tip, there's a customize your shape. Depends on your liking. You can change the color of the box. You can also customize the lines. In here, I made 3 different shapes. They all can be found in the standard section. The blue one is where you can input a link, either a YouTube link. In changing the line color, click. In changing the box color, click. You can also add an icon to your box. Now, let's proceed to LUCID Spark Board. After you click it, this should be in your screen. Every time you open it, there will always be a quick few tips on the right side. You can put multiple sticky notes and even change its colors. You can highlight certain sticky notes and draw or paint any shapes you want. You can also change its color. It can be heart, circle, or rectangle. This is the sample of adding sticky notes and connecting one to another and adding highlights. You can also organize your thoughts or ideas by tagging the sticky notes. Example is this. I put "we" as a tag and it will appear on the side of the note that you've chosen. You can create many tags or just one. If you just don't want a sticky note, you can try the templates. In the left side, you can see in the bottom left the word template and you can click it. Then, the site will give you different templates you can choose from. After choosing your template, click it once and you will see its title and description. If you are now sure to use it, click Insert Template. After clicking it, you will go back to the blank board. You have to right-click and hold so that your chosen template will be there. You can now add texts, etc. and design it. This online tool can be used with your teammates or you can do it collaboratively. You will see in the right side the different features. However, if you are a free trial, you cannot add comments to the board, but you can share your work with others. Lastly, after you save it, you can see your works in the home screen.